Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. We shop at Burlington 3 times a week. So I'm looking at the women's juniors clothes and I see this super cute Friends t-shirt. It's tie-dye. And they have some button-up blouses. I like this little floral top, but it's kind of short, like cropped. Look how cute this tie-dye shirt is. I love it when the tie-dye is like ombre. It's not really, it's kind of tie-dye, but it's more ombre where it goes into a different color. Little $7 blouse. This is an airy shirt. You know, it looks kind of like a sleep tee, but it's like an oversized shirt. It doesn't have to be a sleep tee. They have a lot of Looney Tunes, Marvel, all kinds of like graphic t-shirts. I love this roses one. It's so cute. So on this side, I noticed a lot of brightly colored hoodies. Like this Pink Floyd, it's pink and purple tie-dye. And I think this is my favorite. It says Nickelodeon. It has brightly colored pink and purple and blue tie-dye, and then the orange slime splash. I love that, but it's just that we're in summer and I'm not really feeling the hoodies right now.